Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to share a folder or files like drives over the network in Windows 11. To do this, open File Explorer. You'll see a tab here called Network, but first make sure all the necessary devices are connected to the same internet, the same network. Click on this button and turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing. Then click Enable. Here you can work with files, or more precisely, you'll see the files of others connected to the network, including your own. To share a drive, right-click it, click More Options, then Give Access, and then click Advanced here. Then click Share. Click Share this folder, which in this example is the C drive. Then click Apply and OK. After that, all users connected to this network will see your drive or folder. That's all. Goodbye, everyone.